Nicholas Nelson, Molynes United, striker.
Yes, Nicholas Nelson, you know, your performance today give your team Molynes a valuable point, 3 points in this game. What the coach tell you to go out and do today to get the desired result?
Well, he told me to play simple because I get a national call up. I don't want to get in hurt, and I go out and do the job and I get it done today.
So what it's like getting a national call up, you know, local players getting a look in now. Paula really want to develop these local players. What's your thought on that?
Well, I think that's very good because we can gel together. Remember, Asian Cup is coming up, so it's a good look for us.
Good look. Your brother really, you know, synchronized with you in that build-up play in the second half to get to that goal. Tell me about it.
Well, we was working on it in training from week, and we worked out very good today and get the 3 points done today.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much for the interview, and I hope you continue to do well and also, you know, fulfilling your dream in the national team.
Thank you.
Big up.